Welcome to Automotive Reviews TV, your trusted source for in-depth insights into the world of vehicles and heavy machinery. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Caterpillar 992K wheel loader, a true powerhouse in the construction and mining industry. This machine is a testament to Caterpillar's commitment to delivering reliability, performance, and innovation to its customers. The Caterpillar 992K is a robust and versatile wheel loader designed for heavy-duty operations. It is equipped with a Cat C32 Acert engine, which provides an impressive net power of 814 horsepower, ensuring that it can handle the most demanding tasks with ease. This wheel loader is built to excel in a variety of environments, making it a favorite for mining and large-scale construction projects. One of the standout features of the Caterpillar 992K is its remarkable payload capacity. With a bucket capacity ranging from 10.7 to 12.3 cubic meters, it can efficiently load large amounts of material, significantly improving productivity on the job site. The high lift linkage option further enhances its versatility by enabling it to handle taller trucks and hoppers, making it a valuable asset for operations with diverse loading requirements. Durability is at the core of the Caterpillar 992K's design. Its heavy-duty construction and reinforced frame ensure long-lasting performance, even under harsh conditions. The advanced cooling system is another highlight, designed to optimize temperature management and enhance overall efficiency. This feature is especially beneficial when the loader is operating in extreme climates or during extended shifts. Operator comfort and safety are also prioritized in the Caterpillar 992K. The spacious and ergonomically designed cabin provides excellent visibility, reducing operator fatigue and enhancing precision during operations. The controls are intuitive and easy to use, allowing operators to focus on their tasks without unnecessary distractions. Additionally, the machine is equipped with advanced safety features, including an integrated rear-view camera and enhanced stability controls, to ensure a secure working environment. Fuel efficiency is a key consideration in modern heavy machinery, and the Caterpillar 992K does not disappoint. The engine is designed to deliver maximum power while minimizing fuel consumption, helping operators reduce operational costs. Coupled with Caterpillar's advanced hydraulic system, the loader achieves exceptional performance with reduced energy usage. Maintenance and serviceability are also made convenient with the Caterpillar 992K. The machine is designed with easy access to critical components, simplifying routine maintenance tasks. This reduces downtime and ensures that the loader remains in optimal condition, ready to tackle any challenge. The Caterpillar 992K is more than just a wheel loader, it's a reliable partner for businesses aiming to boost efficiency and performance. Its combination of power, durability, and cutting-edge technology makes it a top choice for demanding applications. If you're passionate about exploring the latest machinery, reviewing specs, or learning about features that enhance productivity, you've come to the right place. Automotive Reviews TV is dedicated to bringing you expert insights and detailed overviews of vehicles and equipment that shape industries worldwide. We invite you to join our community of enthusiasts and professionals by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest reviews and insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.